Perry right now, and as you can see, widespread rain from that severe thunderstorm warning we had in Taylor and Crawford County kind of merging together with those storms in Peach and Houston County and creating widespread rain across all of these counties right over there. We still have 2 warnings right now. I'm going to take the watch box off right there. This warning is still for Emmanuel, Johnson, Montgomery, and Treutlen counties until 6:30 right now. It is rolling through Treutlen right now and kind of clipping that southern edge of Johnson County, kind of rolling on out of there around the Adrian area, getting on into southern Emmanuel County as well. But Soperton, areas like Gillis Springs, all over Treutlen County, seeing some hail signatures pop up right there. We're talking about hail that is 0.6 of an inch in diameter, and then some hail down here in southern Lawrence County as well, about the same in diameter. So widespread stuff all over. We can continue to see stuff pop up. Really tiny cell right there that's producing that 0.6 of an inch hail right there in southern Lawrence County right there, just to the southeast of Cadwell. But the warning right now is still issued for mostly just Treutlen County now as it moves on into the southern area of Emmanuel County, going to clip the northern area of Montgomery County. We're talking Terrytown right there. So you just saw the hail signatures, the areas of the most intense rain right there, but also just a long line of storms all across. We got some spotty stuff across southern Lawrence County right there. So let's pull up the Dublin Skycam, kind of get a view of all of that stuff over towards the south. I'm going to move this camera around, try to find the best camera view for you. Again, not going to be like the Perry Skycam footage because this rain is a little bit away right now from Dublin, but also gives you a good outside perspective of what these storms are looking like as they do continue to roll through the area in Lawrence County. So flipping it around. There we go. Caught one of the intense showers right there, so let's pull that back up for you. Right here you can see on the Skycam just distant storms off in the distance, but really how strong and how intense those rain downpours are, really kind of just making the whole entire sky gray, a grayish purple hue with all of this rain associated with these storms. So that's just the spotty stuff, not even the most severe of what we're seeing right now scattered across Lawrence County right there, as you can see, and that is stretching all the way into northern Dodge County. I know we had a comment about Dodge County just a little bit ago, or when are we going to see rain? Well, that time has come now. As I mentioned, that gust front kind of creeping on in and bringing that indication that more stuff is on the way. So Dodge, almost all of Bleckley County immersed in some thunderstorms as well, southern Twiggs all the way up to West Twiggs and into East Bibb County, and then almost all of Houston County as well, as those storms move through Perry that we were just watching, down into Macon County, down all over around Peach County, as well as Crawford County, and then the west area of Bibb County around Lizella, Lake Tobo, that area. And then another severe thunderstorm warning we have right now for Talbot and Upson County. I imagine that one will get canceled fairly soon. It expires in 5 minutes right now, but not seeing a lot of strong stuff associated with this, but widespread thunderstorms all over the western portion of our viewing area, and then stuff over on the east as well. So let's kind of take a look over towards the west, the general direction from where all these storms have been coming. You can see more stuff ramping on up in the eastern side of Alabama, getting ready to cross the Georgia state line probably within the next hour or so, but then some stuff up north right now around LaGrange, kind of pushing its way into our western portion of our viewing area. That's been the pattern of a lot of these storms today, moving into the Upson, Pike, Spalding, Lamar, Monroe County area. All of those has kind of been the origin for this line of stuff that has really kind of ramped on up throughout the afternoon hours today as we get into the evening hours as well. So our chances will exist for storms and strong thunderstorms for the remainder of the evening as we close out our Sunday. Looking at having a brief kind of lull in it, I guess, tomorrow to heat on up. So high temperatures tomorrow could reach the upper 90s. Some areas maybe even get into 100 degrees and that humidity isn't going anywhere, so going to make those temperatures feel even warmer around the 110 range for some areas. So tomorrow is going to be a hot one, and then we're going to pair it with a front draping down into Georgia, bringing us a more organized rain chance like we are seeing right now. So as you can see, widespread stuff coming in multiple waves today, and expect more on the way tomorrow evening as well, and also expect the heat. So really unpleasant couple of days today and tomorrow for central Georgia, as we are really seeing the effects of what happens when you get a lot of moisture and a lot of hot temperatures and just instability in the atmosphere, fueling these pop-up storms, but also making for very, very unpleasant, really kind of just popping up out of nowhere. All right, so I'm getting notice from our producers that the golf tournament rain delay, I think we're about to switch our coverage over to us. So that means we will probably get off the live stream once we get the confirmation of that. Yeah, so we are going to get off the live stream now. We're going to continue our coverage on channel 13, so please tune in and watch that. Okay, is it first weather still?
At least in this rundown, as it's changing, you're still at the top.
Okay. We shall figure it out. What a chaotic afternoon.
After the second break, there's talks of weather.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.